Hello, do you get my point? Good morning, everyone. Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good
Do you
morning,
get my
sir.
voice?
Good morning.
Good morning,
Sir.
I hope everyone has to join this meeting. Neha. Hello. People are getting joining.
Sir, they are still joining.
Parth, tell me. I hope everyone has to join this meeting.
Yes, sir, they are joining.
Okay. So we studied in previous lecture. We discussed about the D fraction. You remember? Hello.
Yes, sir.
We have given some numerical problem. Anyone solve this question? Hello. Neha. Yuvraj. Parth Bansal. Parth Batra.
Yes, sir.
Parth Bansal. You have to solve this question. I
Yes,
have
sir.
given some question on different. Yes. Open camera. Talk to me. My voice is audible, my dear friend. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parth, have you solved the questions?
Yes, sir. The questions is solved in the class. I have solved it.
Okay. I discuss you again. Okay. Parth Batra,
Yes, sir.
have you solved the question? Can you open your camera, Mr. Parth Batra?
Yes, sir. One second, sir.
Okay. Go. Neha, Divyanshi, are you here?
Yes, sir, Neha.
Neha, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Have you solved the question about the numericals? I have given about numerical about D fraction.
No, sir.
No. Vidhi,
I'll do it this week.
Vidhi, have you done it? Vidhi, do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you solved the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Rama?
Yes, sir.
You listen my words?
Yes, sir.
In previous lecture, I have given some numerical problem. Have you solved it?
Yes, I sold.
Okay. Kushag Jain? Kushag,
Yes, sir.
have you solved the question?
No, sir. So I will do it.
Okay. So I discussed about the question, okay?
Sir,
Yes.
you haven't shared the last class PPT?
You are taking classes?
Yes, sir.
Then you take a SIM card, better to you. I share, don't worry. I share everything, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
I share everything, don't worry. So I'm talking about Balshika, have you solved the question? Previous lecture I
Sir,
gave
I
you.
don't have the questions.
Sorry?
I don't have the questions. मैंने LMS पे भी चेक करा था PPT नहीं थी जिसमें क्वेश्चंस थे.
I have given. I have just flow the PPT on your screen.
I didn't take the screenshot.
Okay. So again, no problem. I will discuss that question again. So this is the question I discussed on your screen. Have you seen something on screen? My PowerPoint is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now I this question, I'm talking about this question. Yes, this question is based on your resolving power. Yes, question number this one. A grating has 6,000 lines per centimeter drawn on it. If its width is 10 centimeter, then what is there's two questions to ask. The resolving power in the second order. Resolving power means lambda by d lambda is equal to n into capital N. N is the number of order and capital N is the total number of lines. This is small n. This is lambda by d lambda. This is resolving power. And second question is the smallest wavelength that can be resolved in the third order in 6,000 angstrom wavelength region. It means what is the question? they have asked a question about d lambda. D lambda means smallest wavelength. Have you solved this question? What is the answer? Neha, have you solved this question? Yes or no? Neha, you have solved this question?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Vidhi, have you solved this question? Can you tell me answer?
Sir, I didn't solve this one. The next one I solved the question.
Next one, okay, no problem. Rama, have you solved this question? Rama,
Sir, I solved, but I was not sure.
okay.
But, yeah.
Parth, Bansal,
Yes, sir.
have you solved this question?
No, sir. I'm actually having doubts in the units. How to
Oh, no,
put.
this is unitless. Lambda by d lambda means what? Unitless. Hello.
No, sir. In the rest of the questions, I am having doubts for the units. Like,
In which? Where? Tell me. Where you are doubt? Ask me.
sir,
Hello, where is doubt?
so like in any question, there is some value coming. So how to put the unit? Which unit we have to put?
No. In this case, asking about this question,
No, sir. The previous questions in the last lecture.
previous question. Okay, I'll come back and discuss. Okay, no problem.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I just going to revert. Parvatra, have you solved this question? Parvatra. Parth. Bhavya Singh,
Yes, sir.
have you solved this question?
No, sir, I wasn't able to solve this question.
So I proceed further. This question, this one, what is this? Total number of lines on the grating, 6,000 per centimeter means, what is this? 6,000 per centimeter, and total width is 10 centimeter. What is total number of lines? Total number of lines is 6,000 into 10 is equal to 6 into 10. And n is equal to for second order. N is equal to 2. So what is resolving power? Resolving power is equal to lambda upon d lambda is equal to small n into capital N. Small n is 2. Capital N is 6 into 10 power 4. So total value is 1.2 into 10 power 5. This is resolving power of a grating. Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Yes or no? Hello? Neha, it is clear? My voice is audible? Hello? Hello?
Sir, clear.
Yeah. What? Neha,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question, is smallest wavelength. So, the resolving power of grating is given lambda upon d lambda is equal to n into n. So, d lambda, I want to calculate the value of d lambda. So, already you calculate the value of d lambda is equal to capital lambda, d lambda is equal to lambda divided by n into n. I want to calculate the smallest difference. The smallest difference means d lambda. I want to calculate very smallest difference means lambda upon d lambda. Lambda is the wavelength. D lambda is smallest difference of wavelength. So lambda is given already. What is the value of lambda? Lambda is given here 6,000 into 10 power minus 8. And what is n? For third order. What is the question? In question, this is mentioned that for third order, this is third order. Third order means small n is 3. So, this value divided by small n, 3 into capital N. Capital N means 6 into 10 power 4. So, what is the value? The value is 3.3 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. Then the value is also right here 0.033 centimeter 10 power minus 8 centimeter. And the value is 0.033 angstrom. It is correct. Can you solve this question? Then tell me it is correct or wrong. Hello. You have solved this question and tell me this is correct or wrong. Smallest value difference means d lambda. D lambda is equal to lambda divided by n into capital N. Small n is the number of order. It is given 3. And capital N is the total number of lines in 10 centimeter is equal to 6 into 10 power 4. The value is correct or wrong? Tell me, any one of you. Any one of you, tell me. Hello. Do you get my voice?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
My voice is clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me it is correct or wrong. Vidhi, what is the answer? Vansika, tell me what is the answer. Vidhi,
Sir, it's correct.
correct?
Sir.
Okay. Neha,
Yes, sir.
it is correct or wrong?
So correct.
Okay. Vansika,
Yes, sir.
it is correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Clear? Kushag,
Yes, sir. Correct.
correct. So I proceed. Clear? This question is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I same type of question, I proceed next question. This is again a very important question. The sodium yellow doublet, has wavelength of 5,890 angstrom and 5,896 angstrom. What should be the resolving power of grating to resolve these lines? Resolving power is lambda upon d lambda is equal to small n and capital N. Tell me, which formula you use for this question? Which formula you use for this question? Hello? Which formula you use to solve this question? Do you get my voice? Hello?
So lambda by d lambda.
Oh, yes, good, shabash, good. What is lambda and what is d lambda? Any one of you? Vidhi? Vanshika? Do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Vanshika, do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
tell me
sir.
what is the value of lambda and what is the value of d lambda?
So lambda is 5,890 and d lambda is 6.
No. D lambda is right, but you are not right for lambda.
So we take the
lambda is
higher.
D
So
lambda
we
is
take
correct.
the higher value of lambda as
No,
lambda.
lambda you taken mean value.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you taken mean value of lambda, and d lambda is difference between them, and difference between them is say angstrom. Then you tell me what is the value of resolving power. Kushag, what is the answer? Kushag. Aditya Rajput. Aditya. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the answer. Do you get my point?
So 982 Armstrong.
982. Anyone more?
Sir,
Vidhi, what is
it's
the answer?
coming
Even I-
982.1.
Yes, sir.
982.16.
982.16.
Okay. Good. You are correct. Very good. Shabash. So I want to proceed further. This is answer. 982. Okay. Mean wavelength
Okay,
is mean wavelength is 5,893 angstrom. Wavelength difference is 6 angstrom. So divide 5,893, 5,893 divided by 6. This is nearly about 982. Clear? Any questions about this one? So
Sir,
this
982.6.
Okay. 0.66.
982.166.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I taken in the even number. Okay. So this is the two formula is very important for the case of diffraction. First one is getting a plus b sin theta to L lambda, and second one is about the resolving power. Lambda upon d lambda is equal to n into capital N. You keep in mind small n is the number of order, first order, second order, third order, and capital N is the total number of lines in the grating. So I discuss about this is deflection. You know, I'm not discussing about the question on interference. So today I want to discuss about the numerical on interference also. Clear? Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen my PowerPoint? My PowerPoint
Yes,
is
sir.
visible? Okay. So I'm talking about the first question. This is a very important question. Have you seen on the screen? All of you seen on the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's visible.
Yes, okay. So you know this question is very important. Two coherent sources of intensity ratio alpha. Intensity ratio means alpha is equal to I1 by I2. I1 by I2 means I1 is the amplitude of first wave, I2 is the amplitude of second wave. So I1 is equal to A1 square divided by A2 square. What is alpha? Alpha is ratio of intensity means alpha is equal to A1 square divided by A2 square. Then prove that intensity of maxima minus intensity of minima divided by intensity of maxima plus intensity of minima is equal to 2 under root alpha divided by 1 plus alpha. This is a very important question. 1 plus alpha. Prove that I maxima minus I minima divided by I maxima plus I minima is equal to 2 under root alpha divided by 1 plus alpha. Do you solve it? Otherwise, I proceed. Have you solved this question? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Hello?
No, sir.
Hello? Tushar? So, you know, I proceed for this. You know, how can I solve this? You know, I maxima. You know, already you know very well what is the value of I maxima. Can you tell me what is the value of I maxima? Value of I maxima? Any one of you? Hello? The value of I maxima is A1 plus A2 ka whole square, and the value of minima is A1 minus A2 ka whole square. Have you calculated this value? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you calculated this value? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
I didn't get OS from your side. Hello? Neha? Neha? Are you here? Neha? Vanshika? Vanshika?
Yes, sir.
What's the problem? My voice is not audible?
You are audible, sir.
Then why not responding me? Neha is not responding me. Vidhi, do you get my point?
Sir, your
Right?
voice is breaking due to my connection issues.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Prajwal? Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know you know already we know that I maxima is A1 plus A2 ka whole square, and we also know that I minima is equal to A1 minus A2 ka whole square. So what is question? Question is that ratio of I maxima minus ratio of I maxima minus I minima to I maxima plus I minima. I simply substitute you know the value of maxima. The value for I maxima is a1 plus a2 का whole square minus a1 minus a2 का whole square divided by a1 plus a2 का whole square plus a1 minus a2 का whole square. It is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When you expand this one, hello, when you expand this one, so you know it will cancel out. A1 square will cancel out, a2 square will cancel out. What is left? 2a1 a2 here and minus plus 2a1 a2 here. So what is the value? The value is 4a1 a2, and here 2a1 a2 and minus 2 will cancel out. What is the value here? a1 square plus a2 square, and this one a1 plus a2 square. So total value is 4a1 a2 in numerator and denominator 2a1 square plus 2a2 square. Yes or no? Do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Do you get my point?
Yes,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know I have taken 2 is common from here, and this is 2 to cancel out. What is left? 2a1 a2 divided by a1 square plus a2 square. 2a1 a2 is divided by a1 square plus a2 square. So you know again I want to take in common here. You know I have taken common here. What is this? You can hear this is the numerator, this is denominator. I divide by a2 square in numerator and denominator. So this is a1 to a1 a2, and this is divided by a2 square. So a1 by a1 square divided by a2 square. This is plus 1. This is plus 1. Yes or no? In this, you know, in this part, we have divided by a2 square on both sides. So this will equal to a1 square divided by a2 square, or this will to plus 1. Yes or no? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 2a1 a1 divided by a2 means you know already what is value of alpha. Alpha is equal to a1 square divided by a2 square. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is the ratio of a1 square and a2 square. Then what is under root alpha? Under root alpha is a1 by a2. So this is a1 by a2. So this is 2 alpha under root alpha divided by alpha plus 1 or 1 plus alpha. This is, we have proved that ratio of I maxima minus I minima to the I maxima plus I minima is equal to 2 under alpha divided by 1 plus alpha or alpha plus 1. Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this question is important. Okay. So I proceed for the next question. You saw this question. Tell me, what is the answer? Two coherent sources whose intensity ratio is 81:1. Means I1 divided by I2 means A1 square divided by A2 square is equal to 81/1. Produce interference fringes. Calculate the ratio of maximum to minimum intensity of the fringe system. What is the answer? Question is that you have calculated the ratio of intensity maxima and intensity minima. Means you have to calculate the value of I max divided by I minimum. Tell me the answer. What is given? The given is that intensity ratio I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 81 divided by A1, 81 by 1, or it is equal to A1 square divided by A2 square. Then you tell me what is the answer. What you will calculate? You have to calculate the ratio of intensity maxima and minima. So we have to calculate I maxima divided by I minima. Clear?
So
You get my
64,
question?
100 to 64.
Yes. What is the answer?
100 to 64.
Okay. Anyone more?
Sir?
Yuvraj, yes.
25 to 16.
25, 16, good.
Yes,
Ariman?
sir. 25 plus 16.
Ariman?
Yes.
Yes, Ariman, what is the answer?
16 by 9, sir.
Then Prajwal,
25
you are
to
doing.
16.
Hello, yes?
Sir, 25 by 16.
Sir,
Prajwal,
25 by
you are-
25 by
16.
16.
So 25 by
Prajwal, you are
16.
doing mistake somewhere? Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
hello. What do you answer?
Sir, 25 by 16.
So I proceed further. This is answer. 25 by 16. I maxima is given, a1 plus a2 ka whole square, a1 plus a2 to the power 2, yeah, you can say square of a1 plus a2, and minima is a1 minus a2 square. So you have to calculate this value. I1 by I2 is a1 square divided by a2 square, and this is equal to 81 divided by 1. So a1 by a2 is equal to 9. So what is the value of a1? a1 is 9, a2. I simply substitute these values. We simply substitute this value in the equation. I maxima divided by I minima is 9 a2 a1 means here is a1. Here is a1. So we substitute here 9a2 plus a2 is equal to divided by 9a2 minus a2 ka whole square. So this is equal to 10 by 8 to the power 2. So this is equal to 100 divided by 64. So this is, I have taken the, this is 25 divided by 60. Clear, yes or no? So ratio of I maxima to I minima is 25 by 16 and 100. Someone is given 100 by 64. This is also answer, correct? Someone is given answer 100 by 64. Who is given answer? Hello?
So that was me, Yuvraj.
Hello, tell me your name.
Yuvraj Walia, sir.
Yes, you are right. Yuvraj Walia. 100 by 64, 100 by 64 and 25 by 16, both are the correct answer. Anyone doubt to ask me? Anybody have any kind of question to ask me? Yes, I proceed further. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This question. In Young's slit experiment, the slit separate, the distance between two slits is 2 mm. Mm is millimeter, 2 millimeter, and fringe width is beta is given. Beta is 0.35 millimeter at a distance of 1 meter from the slit. Calculate the wavelength of light. Again, you listen to the question carefully. In Young's slit experiment, the slit separation is 2 millimeter. Two slit, the distance between two slits is 2 millimeter and fringe width is 0.35 millimeter at a distance of 1 meter from the slit. Calculate the wavelength of light. Which formula used? Which formula you have used?
Lambda
Mohit,
capital
yes,
D
good.
lambda by D.
Very
Lambda
good,
capital
Shabash.
E by small d.
What is the answer? What is the answer? Very good, Shabas, Mr. Mohit. What is the answer? Mohit, what is the answer?
Sir, calculating, sir.
Okay. Yes, Vansika, what is the answer? Vansika?
Sir,
Yes, Arman.
sir, is the answer 1.5 mm?
No. Wavelength is angstrom. It is order of 10
Oh,
power
sir,
minus
sorry,
10.
sir.
No, you are wrong. You take a same unit. Kindly change your unit. Wavelength in angstrom or meter and centimeter. It is
Sorry,
order
sir.
of 10 power 10. So you are not close. Yes, Arman, tell me. Hello, Arman.
Wait,
Okay.
I'm pre-calculating now.
Vansika, what is the answer?
So 7
yes.
into 10 raised to power minus 7.
Okay. Vansika, what is the answer? Vansika. Yuvraj, what is the answer?
Sir, calculating. Wait.
Neha.
Sir, I'm calculating.
Sir,
Yes.
so my answer is coming 7 into 10 to the power 7 angstrom.
10%. Okay. 10% minus or plus?
Sir, plus.
Plus.
So minus.
Mohit, yes, Mohit, tell me what is the answer?
Sir, 0.7 into 10 is to minus 7.
Okay, so I proceed further. You know, this is answer. 7 to the power minus 5 centimeter. You know, what is beta? Beta is given. What is given? 0.35 mm. So I convert in centimeter. Then what is the value of centimeter? 0.035 centimeter. And 2D is given. 2D is given means 2 mm. Means what is the value of this one? 0.2. What is D? D means distance between screen and source. This is given 1 meter. Then what is the value? Value is 100 centimeter. So what is the formula? Formula beta is equal to D lambda by 2D. So what is lambda is equal to? What is the value of lambda? Lambda is equal to 2D into beta divided by capital D. So beta is 0.035 centimeter multiplied by 2D. 2D means distance between two sources 0.2 centimeter. Divided by, you know, D is equal to 100 centimeter. Then what is the value of lambda? Lambda is 7 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. Kindly check your answer is correct or wrong.
So I have taken in meters, so it is coming as minus 7 meters.
Yes, okay, correct. No problem. Yes, if you take a meter, no problem.
Yes, sir.
It depends upon unit. Okay, good. Anyone of you, Vidhi? Vidhi,
Yes, sir.
where are you doing mistake? Clear?
Sir, in units. Now it's correct.
Yes, Neha, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Aryaman, do you get the answer of question?
Yes, sir.
Yuvraj,
Yes, sir.
do you get the answer?
Sir, wait, I'm just checking my solution.
Okay. Rama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any
Yes, sir.
problem?
No, sir.
So I proceed for next question.
Yes, sir.
This question is very important. Very, very important. In Newton's experiment, the diameter of third and ninth dark ring are. In Newton's experiment, the diameter of third and ninth dark rings are 0.251 centimeter and 0.548 centimeter. Find out the diameter of 15th dark ring. Find out the diameter of 15th dark ring. Yes, tell me the answer. You know, it is given. What is given? The diameter of third ring and diameter of ninth ring is given. Kindly find out the diameter of 15th ring. Have you studied about Newton's ring? You have studied about the Newton's ring? Hello. Hello. Vidhi. Have you studied about the Newton's ring? Yes or no? Aryaman.
Yes, sir.
Have you studied about the Newton's ring?
No, sir.
Oh, not sure about Newton's ring.
Sir,
Yes, tell me. Now my voice is clear? Hello. I'm
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know, I discussed about the Newton's ring. Lambda is equal to dn plus p dn plus p square minus dn square divided by 4pr. This is formula you have to use. What is formula? Lambda is equal to dn plus p square minus dn square divided by 4pr. Listen this formula, yes or
Sir,
no?
but what is the
Ah.
value of R?
R is not given. R is not given. Yes, Baba, you
Sir,
are right.
how we calculate?
Yes, right. Correct.
So 6.87.
6.87. Okay, I'll check. 6.87. 6.87 centimeter. Hello. No, 6.7. No, it's quite large. Anyone of you? Anyone? Mohit.
Sir, calculating, sir.
Sir, lambda is equal to d square n plus p minus d square n by 4 pr. This is the formula for wavelength, not for
Yes,
diameter.
yes. Lambda is equal to dn plus p square minus dn square divided by 4pr.
4
Yes.
pr.
Yes.
This is the formula for wavelength.
Yes. You can use this formula and do the question. Hello, Rama.
Yes, sir.
You can use this formula and solve the question.
Okay, sir. I am trying.
Okay. Neha,
13.41.
what answer? Kushal, tell me what is the answer?
1. Sir, 0.498 centimeters.
Oh, 90. No.
0.498.
You know, hello, my dear friend, Mr. Yuvraj Walia. If the value of D, the third is 2.25, ninth is 0.54.
No, sir. Wait a second. Excuse me.
Okay, yes.
0.99.
I'll check. I solve, then tell you answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I just solved, then I tell you answer. Okay. Anyone of you more? Part one solve. Vanshika, where are you?
I was getting as 6.87, which is
6.87. No. Got a mistake somewhere. If you need. Vanshika.
Yes, sir.
Tell me answer, beta.
Sir, नहीं आ रहा.
कोई बात
Calculation mistake हो रही है.
नहीं. Okay, no problem. But try to solve the question, okay?
Okay, sir.
Anyone of you have you answered?
So 0.92.
0.9?
2.
You are close to me. Kushal,
Sir,
what is the answer?
0.85. 0.85.
Okay, I see. Jasandeep?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm getting 0.98.
0.98.
Same, I'm getting 0.99.
0.99. Anyone more? So, I saw this, the right to the answer. This is the answer is 0.733 centimeter. Hello. How can I solve it? Hello, listen carefully. Hello, my dear friend. What is given? D3 is given. Hello, diameter of third is given. What is the value of diameter of third? 0.251. And diameter for ninth is 0.54. Yes or no? It is given or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then n is 3. Then what is n plus p is equal to 9? Then what is p? What is p?
6.
Hello?
Plus 6.
6.
6. What is the formula? dn plus p square minus dn square is equal to 4p lambda r. This is formula? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what is n plus p? N plus p d9 square Now D3 square is equal to 4p lambda r. What is about D9? D9 is 0.548 का square. Now D3 is 0.251 square is equal to 4 into p. P means 6 into lambda r. Equation number 1. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly for 15th ring. What is this? You can write here this, like this one. D15 का whole square D3 का whole square is equal to 4p lambda r. What is p? P is 50 minus 3 is 12. 4p lambda r. What is D15? D15 is not given. But what is D3? D3 is given. What is D3? 0.251 square is equal to 4p lambda r means 4 into 12 into lambda r. Dividing equation 2 by 1. Clear? So this, right hand side is cancel out. What is left? Right hand side is equal to 2. And this one, D15 minus 0.251 का whole square divided by 0.54 का whole square minus 2.5 square is equal to 2 because this is divided by this one. So equation 2 divided by 1, 6 is 4 cancel out, lambda r is cancel out, 6 to 12. So this is 2. So what is the value of D15? Tell me the answer. Solve and tell me the answer value. You get my point? Yes or no? Hello? All of you get the point? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
You get
Yes,
my point?
sir.
How can I solve this one? Rama?
Yes, sir.
You get how can I solve this question? Dn plus p का whole square minus dn square is equal to 4p lambda r. First we take a 9 and 3. dn9 whole square minus d3 का whole square is equal to 4 into p. P means 12 minus 9. Sorry, 12 minus 9. 12 by 3. What is the 12 by 3? Yes. 12, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 means 6. So, d9 का whole square. d9 whole square means 0.54 minus d3 square. d3 square means 0.251 square is equal to 4p lambda r. 4 into 6 into lambda r. Clear? Similarly for 15th ring, d15 square minus 0.251 to the power 2 is equal to 4 into what is p? P is 50 minus 3 is equal to 12. So then what is 4 into 12 into lambda r? Dividing by 2, dividing equation 2 by 1. This equation divided by this equation. So d15 square minus 0.251 square divided by 0.548 square minus 0.251 square is equal to, this is one is 2. Then what is the value of d15? Tell me the answer. What is the answer? Hello?
Sir, 0.733.
It is correct?
Yes, sir.
Mansubir?
Yes, sir.
It is correct?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Anyone doubt? To ask me. Rama? Vansika, any doubt? Vansika?
No, sir.
Vansika, it is clear or not? Vansika?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
And clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone have any doubt? This question is very important. Next one is again same type question asked. Same question.
Sir, can we do with another method also?
Yes, you can do any method, no problem.
Sir, I tried first lambda and then d square n.
But your method is correct. If method is correct, no problem. Okay?
Sir, r cancel out in both the cases.
Yes, lambda r. Both are cancel out.
Yes, sir.
Then if lambda is not given, r is not given. So this is cancel out. And we can easily calculate. Yeah. This is very easy. This is very easy method. We can easily calculate the value of diameter of any ring. Not only 15th, any ring, you can calculate the diameter. Okay? Clear? Rama, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir, it's clear. The mic was not.
Next question is same question it was. In Newton's experiment, the diameter of fourth and 12th dark ring are 0.4 centimeter and 0.7 centimeter. Find out the diameter of 20th ring, dark ring. Same formula you use. D12 minus D12 square minus D4 square is equal to lambda r. You know what is this one? Yes, it's this one formula. 4p lambda r. What is p for this one? P is 12 minus 4 means 8. So 8p lambda r. 8 lambda r. And similarly, you can for 20th dark ring. So D20 square minus D4 square is equal to 4. 4 means 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 lambda r divided by 2 by 1. Can you tell me what is the answer?
0.
Can you tell me the answer? Be fast.
0.9.
Sorry?
0.9 centimeter.
0.9, Bansveer?
Yes.
Yes, you are right. Good. Can you open your camera, Bansveer?
Okay, sir.
Can you open your camera, Bansveer? Yes, what is the answer you tell me?
0.90 centimeter.
Very good, Shaba, good, excellent. Anyone more? Any one of you? Jasandeep?
Sir, I am calculating, sir.
Okay. Yuvraj?
So just calculating.
Okay. Rama?
Sir, what's the answer?
You tell me.
Sir, I 3.96.
So 0.9.
Yes, 0.9. 0.9 is the get answer. 0.9 is the get answer. You know, I want to solve this question. Same manner I solve this question. D4 is given, D12 is given, P is given. So what is this? D12 square minus D4 square equal to 4p lambda r. So 0.7 square minus 0.4 square equal to 4p means 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 lambda r. Second again, D20 square minus 0.4 square is equal to 4p. What is p? P means 20 minus 4. 16. 4 into 16 into lambda r. Dividing this by 2 by 1. What is the value? Value is 0.906. Anyone doubt to ask me? Anyone had doubt to ask me? Anyone of
No
you have
doubt,
doubt?
sir.
Clear?
No doubt. Yes, sir.
Shamir Chaudhary. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. I'm not having any doubt. I have calculated the value.
Tell me the answer. Neha. Oh, very good. Vanshika, do you get the point? Hello, Vanshika.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to solve the question?
Yes, sir.
Any question doubt to ask me?
No, sir.
You get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Parth, clear? So I proceed
Yes, sir,
for next
clear.
question. Okay, next question. You know this one. In Newton's experiment, the diameter of fifth ring was 0.3 centimeter and the diameter of 25th dark ring was 0.8 centimeter. If the radius of plano-convex lens is 1 meter, then they calculate the wavelength of light used. Again, the formula is Tn plus P whole square minus Dn square equal to 4P lambda R. Same formula used here and tell me the answer. What is lambda? Lambda means wavelength of the light. Tell me the answer. Do you get my bias? Clear? Yes or no? Question is clear? Hello. Hello, question is
Sir,
clear? Any doubt?
6.875 into 10 ki power minus 5.
Okay, I'll change the number. Okay. Anyone more?
Sir, 2.75 into 10 power minus
0.75. Anyone more?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2.75.
6.875 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 5.
Yes, sir. Same
Anyone?
answer. 6.875.
More? Anyone more answer?
Sir,
Anyone more?
0.68 into 10 raised to power minus 4.
Okay.
So 6.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5.
Okay, just I tell you the answer. Okay. Answer is 4870 angstrom. Have you seen on screen? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You seen on screen?
Sir, our answer was in centimeters.
Okay, no problem. Centimeter is not problem. Okay. But the numerical will be same, I hope.
Yes, sir. Same method.
Anyone had a doubt to ask me? I hope it's clear. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? So next question. This one. This is homework. Okay. Okay, I saw this. In Newton's experiment, what will be the order of dark ring, which will be have the size or the diameter of 30th ring? What is the order? Order means n, or dark ring, which have 3 times size with 3 times as the diameter of 30th ring. So this is the answer. You know, for dark ring, d is equal to 4 and lambda r, 330 is given. And what is I calculate? I want to calculate for the 3 times of 30th answer. 30th 3 times of the 3 times of the dark ring. So 3 into 30 whole square to 4 and lambda r. So I divide this one. This one, you know, this is question 2. This divide, I have divided it. So lambda r is cancel out. What is n? N is 270. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes. What is the answer? Question is given that you calculate the number of order. You know, when the diameter is 3 times of the diameter of 30th ring. So you know, I taken 30th ring, then I let what will be the 30th 3 times of 30th ring. So in both cases, 4 and lambda r. In this case, n is given 30. In this case, lambda is not given. I divide it. So lambda r is cancel out. So you know we know the value of the 30. Substitute here, and we get the value of n. The n is 270. Clear? Yes or no?
Sir, the answer of previous question was not the same.
Nothing. Just a minute. I go back. Just a minute. This is not correct. Tell me where is problem?
Sir, I got 0.068.
Where you know this formula you use?
Yes, sir, I used this formula.
Lambda is equal to n dl plus p whole square minus dl square divided by 4pr. Okay? D20 is given.
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
D25 is given. Just a minute. D25 is given 0.8 centimeter. Okay, so I retain here 0.8 to 10 minus 2 centimeter. Sorry, meter. This is meter. Sorry, this is meter. This is meter. This is meter. Okay, so this answer is in meter.
So
Clear? Yes or no?
It will be
Then
6.8 only.
Huh?
So it will not be
Sir,
4.8.
0.48. Yes, sir. It will be 6.8.
It will be 6.8. It is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The answer is wrong.
Okay. Okay, I'm just check it. Okay, don't go. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Just I check. Don't worry. Is 0.625. Okay. Hello. Answer is 625. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, 6250. Clear? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will be some mistake. Okay. So what is attendance? I will take attendance. Just a minute. Jasandeep. Jasandeep.
Present, sir. Present,
Pranjal
sir.
Arora. Pranjal Arora. Rama. Rama.
Present, sir. Yes, present, sir.
Divyam Chadha.
Present, sir.
Mohit Rohila.
Present, sir.
Sekhar.
Present, sir.
Sahil Jain.
Present, sir.
Okay. Vansika.
Present, sir.
Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Shivan Sharma.
Present, sir.
Hiren. Sani.
Present, sir.
Shami Chaudhary.
Present, sir.
Suriksha.
Present,
Suriksha.
Present,
Yes Kapoor. Yes Kapoor.
Present, sir. Yash Kapoor.
Valsabir Singh.
Present, sir.
Mr. Sankit.
Sir.
Neha.
Present, sir.
Parth Batra.
Present, sir.
Adit Rajput.
Present, sir.
Mr. Satvik. Satvik. Hello. Hello. Again. Kindly mute yourself. Mr. Adit Kumar.
Present, sir.
Pranjal Goswami.
Sir, Prajwal, sir. Present, sir.
Santanu Raj.
Sir, can we go? Other classes started.
Yes, we can go. Santanu. Naman.
Present, sir. Naman.
Yuvraj.
Present, sir. Yuvraj.
Kushagra.
Present, sir.
Nikita.
Present, sir.
Pragati Mehra.
Present, sir.
Arunit. Hemang Bhatia. Hemang. Arman Anand.
Present, sir.
Rakshit Malik.
Present, sir.
Aryan.
Present.
Nibil. Anshuman Garg. No, sorry. Parth Bansal. Bhavya Singh.
Parth Bansal present.
Present,
Bhavya
sir.
Singh.
Present.
Bhavya Singh. Anybody left attendance?
Sir, Shantanu Chaudhary present.
Yes. Okay, bye.